Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting algebraic equation and we have to find one required expression. So let's get started by writing here required expression equal to E. From the given equation we can write x cannot be equal to 0. Once x is not equal to 0, we can multiply our equation by x square both sides to get rid of denominator x square. So we'll multiply x square with x square and we'll multiply x square with 19 over x square. We will get x power 4 plus 19 equal to 9x square. We'll take all the terms to left hand side and write x power 4 minus 9x square plus 19 equal to 0. Now we are going to add 1 to both sides. So we will write x power 4 minus 9x square plus 20 equal to 1. Now we will factor left hand side expression. We will split minus 9x square minus 4x square minus 5x square plus 20 equal to 1. From first two terms we can take x square common. So in bracket there would be x square minus 4. From next two terms we will take minus 5 common. So in bracket we will get x square minus 4 equal to 1. Now we will take x square minus 4 overall common. So we have x square minus 4 times x square minus 5 equal to 1. Here also we have x square minus 4, x square minus 5. So let us assume x square minus 4 equal to A and x square minus 5 equal to B. Let me write here x square minus 4. If this is equal to A, x square minus 5. If this is equal to B, then I can write our equation x square minus 4 times x square minus 5 equal to 1 in terms of A and B. A times B equal to 1. Here we have A and B. Let's find A minus B. So A minus B will become x square minus 4 minus x square plus 5. We'll cancel plus x square with minus x square. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have second equation A minus B equal to 1. And our required expression, which is written over here in terms of A and in terms of B, we can write E will be A power 18 plus B power 18. So our target expression is A power 18 plus B power 18 if these two equations are known to us. Now I will use algebraic formula, which is A square plus B square. Let me write here A square plus B square. In terms of known equations, I can write A minus B whole square plus 2 times AB. Now we have A minus B 1 and AB 1. So we'll write here 1 square plus 2 times 1. 1 square is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So A square plus B square will be 3. Now our target expression is with power 18. So if I will cube this equation, we will get a power 6 plus b power 6. Let me write a square plus b square equal to 3. Now we will be cubing both sides. So I will write here power 3, power 3. Let's use a plus b whole cube identity. We will get a square whole cube, a power 6 plus b square whole cube, b power 6 plus 3 times a square b square times a square plus b square equal to 27. We will write a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 3 times a square b square can be written as ab whole square, and here we have a square plus b square equal to 27. Now a square plus b square is 3. A times b is 1. So we'll find a power 6 plus b power 6 from this equation. Here we'll write 3 times 1 square times 3 equal to 27, which will be a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 3 times 1 times 3, 9 equal to 27. Now we have to subtract 9 from both the sides. Plus 9 and minus 9 will get over from LHS, and we will get a power 6 plus b power 6. 27 minus 9 is 18. Now we have to cube this equation to get required expression a power 18 plus b power 18. So I will write a power 6 plus b power 6 equal to 18. Let's cube both sides. We will use a plus b whole cube formula over here. A power 6 whole cube, a power 18 plus b power 6 whole cube, b power 18 plus 3 times a power 6 b power 6, which can be written as ab whole power 6 times a power 6 plus b power 6 equal to 18 cube. Now a power 6 plus b power 6 is 18, ab is 1. So here we can write required expression e plus 3 times 1 power 6 times 18 equal to 18 cube. Now we will subtract 3 times 18 power 6 from both the sides. So let me write here 3 times 18 equal to 18 cube. Let's subtract 3 times 18 from LHS and from RHS. We'll cancel 3 times 18 from left hand side. So we have E equal to 18 cube minus 3 times 18. We'll take 18 common from right side. So we will write here E equal to 18 is common. In bracket we'll write 18 is square. Then there would be minus 3. Now we know that 18 is square is 324 minus 3. 324 minus 3 is 321, which we will multiply with 18 to get our required expression E would be 5778. So our answer is 5778. Now I wish friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.